We, as women, we wear so many hats: caregivers, professionals, partners, friends. We're juggling a lot, and through it all, we're holding it down, making things happen. But amidst all the hustle and bustle, there's one thing that often gets overlooked: our financial security. It's not just about having money in the bank. It's about having a safety net, a plan for the unexpected. That's where insurance comes in. Let's be honest, insurance can feel like a foreign language, a jumble of confusing terms and complicated paperwork. But it doesn't have to be that way. This video is about taking back control, about empowering ourselves with the knowledge to make informed decisions about our financial well-being. We're going to break it all down, step by step, demystifying the world of insurance so that you can navigate it with confidence and create a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is insurance? In the grand scheme of things, it's really about peace of mind. Imagine this: you're driving home on a rainy night and suddenly you have an accident. Or you wake up one morning with a terrible toothache, needing an unexpected root canal. Life throws curveballs, right? But with insurance, you have a safety net. Insurance is essentially a contract, a promise between you and an insurance company. You pay a certain amount regularly, called a premium, and in return, the company agrees to cover certain costs if certain events occur, the events outlined in your policy. Think of it as a financial safety net, there to catch you if you fall. It's about managing risk, about transferring the financial burden of unexpected events from your shoulders to the insurance companies. And you know what? That, my friend, is a beautiful thing. Because when you're not constantly worrying about what ifs, you can focus on what truly matters, living your life to the fullest. So whether it's protecting your health, your car, your home, or your loved ones, insurance gives you the freedom to face the future with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Now, you might be thinking, Oprah, this all sounds great, but isn't insurance expensive? Well, that's where things get interesting. The cost of insurance varies depending on a number of factors, and we'll delve into that a bit later. But here's the thing: not having insurance can be far more expensive in the long run. Imagine having to pay for a major car repair or a hospital stay out of pocket. Those costs can be astronomical, potentially wiping out your savings and even putting you in debt. Insurance is about protecting your financial well-being, about having a plan in place so that you're not caught off guard by life's unexpected events. It's about taking control of your future and securing your financial freedom. And the best part? You don't have to figure it all out alone. Throughout this video, we're going to break down the ins and outs of insurance, giving you the knowledge and tools you need to make the best decisions for yourself and your loved ones. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks and talk about some common insurance terms that often leave people scratching their heads. Don't worry, we're going to break it down in a way that makes sense. First up, we have the premium. This is the amount you pay for your insurance coverage, usually on a monthly or annual basis. Think of it like your membership fee for the peace of mind that insurance provides. Next, we have the deductible. This is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. So, let's say you have a $500 deductible on your car insurance and you get into an accident that costs $2,000 to repair. You would pay the first $500 and your insurance would cover the remaining $1,500. Now let's talk about coverage. This refers to the specific risks or events that your insurance policy protects against. For example, your car insurance might cover damages from accidents, theft, or natural disasters, while your health insurance might cover doctor's visits, hospital stays, or prescription drugs. Policy is another important term. This is the actual document that outlines the terms and conditions of your insurance contract. It's essential to read your policy carefully so that you understand what's covered, what's not, and what your rights and responsibilities are. Last but not least, we have the claim. This is a formal request you make to your insurance company for payment or reimbursement when you experience a covered event. For instance, if you're in a car accident, you would file a claim with your insurance company to cover the damages. Now, I know all these terms might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you grasp the basic concepts, it all starts to fall into place. And remember, knowledge is power. By understanding these key terms, you'll be better equipped to navigate the world of insurance, ask the right questions, and make informed decisions about your coverage. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification if something doesn't make sense. A good insurance agent or company will be happy to explain things in plain English and help you find the coverage that best meets your needs. Remember, you're in the driver's seat. You have the power to choose the insurance that's right for you and to create a safety net that gives you peace of mind. Now that we've demystified some of the jargon, let's explore the different types of insurance available to us as women. Remember, your insurance needs will vary depending on your individual circumstances, so it's important to consider what matters most to you. First and foremost, we have health insurance. In this day and age, having access to quality healthcare is absolutely essential. Health insurance helps cover the costs of doctor's visits, hospital stays, prescription drugs, and preventive care, ensuring that you can get the medical attention you need without breaking the bank. Next, let's talk about life insurance. This type of insurance provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your passing. It can help cover expenses like funeral costs, outstanding debts, or even replace your income, ensuring that your family is taken care of during a difficult time. Auto insurance is another crucial one, especially if you own a car. It protects you financially in case of accidents, theft, or damage to your vehicle. Auto insurance is not only a legal requirement in most states, but also a responsible choice to protect yourself and others on the road. If you're a homeowner, homeowner's insurance is a must. It covers damages to your home and belongings from events like fires, natural disasters, theft, or vandalism. Renter's insurance, on the other hand, provides similar coverage for your belongings if you're renting an apartment or house. Beyond these core types of insurance, there are also other options to consider, such as disability insurance, which replaces a portion of your income if you're unable to work due to an illness or injury, and long-term care insurance, which helps cover the costs of assisted living or nursing home care if you need it later in life. Choosing the right types of insurance can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Start by assessing your needs and priorities. What are the potential risks you face, and what financial impact would they have on you and your loved ones? Once you have a clear understanding of your needs, you can start researching different insurance options and comparing quotes from various companies. Don't be afraid to ask questions, shop around, and negotiate for the best rates and coverage. Remember, insurance is an investment in your future, a way to protect yourself and your loved ones from the unexpected. By taking the time to understand your options and make informed decisions, you can gain peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Now comes the empowering part, choosing the insurance that aligns perfectly with your life. Think of it like shopping for a fabulous outfit. You want something that fits you just right, makes you feel confident, and provides the coverage you need. First things first, assess your needs. What are your priorities? What are you looking to protect? Are you single, married, starting a family? Do you own a home, rent an apartment, or dream of owning a vintage car someday? Your answers will guide you towards the types of insurance that deserve your attention. Next, let's talk about comparison shopping. Just like you wouldn't buy the first pair of shoes you see, don't settle for the first insurance policy that comes your way. Get quotes from multiple insurance companies and compare their coverage options, premiums, and deductibles side by side. Make a list, weigh your options, and see what feels right. Here's a secret weapon. Read the fine print. Yes, I know it can be tedious, but those tiny details can make a world of difference. Pay close attention to the coverage limits, exclusions, and any special conditions or requirements. Knowledge is power, my friend, and understanding your policy inside and out will help you avoid any unpleasant surprises down the road. Don't be afraid to ask for additional coverage if needed. Life is full of surprises, so if you feel like you need extra protection in certain areas, don't hesitate to discuss additional coverage options with your insurance agent. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And finally, remember that insurance isn't a one-time decision. It's a journey. Review your policies regularly, at least once a year, or whenever your life circumstances change, like getting married, having a baby, or starting a new job. Your needs may evolve, and your insurance should evolve with you. Insurance is about having your back, about providing financial security and peace of mind. By taking the time to understand your options, compare policies, and ask questions, you can make informed decisions that empower you to face the future with confidence. Remember, you are worthy of protection, and you deserve to have a safety net in place. Insurance may not be the most glamorous topic, but it's an essential part of adulting, of taking charge of your life, and creating a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. So go out there, do your research, ask questions, and find the perfect insurance fit for you. You've got this. As we wrap up our journey into the world of insurance, I want you to walk away feeling empowered, informed, and ready to take charge of your financial well-being. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding the basics of insurance, you can make smart choices that protect you and your loved ones for years to come. Don't wait for a rainy day to realize you need an umbrella. Take action today. Research your options, compare quotes, and find insurance policies that align with your values, your needs, and your dreams. It's an investment in your peace of mind, your security, and your future. Remember, you are worthy of protection, and you deserve to live with confidence, knowing that you have a safety net in place. So go out there, embrace your power, and create the secure future you envision for yourself and those you love.